try it and see what happens. A candy-colored clown they call the Sandman tiptoes to my room every night just to sprinkle stardust and whisper, go to sleep, everything is alright. I close my eyes, then I drift away into the magic night. I softly sing a silent prayer like dreamers do, and I fall asleep to dream my dreams of you. In dreams I walk with you. In dreams I talk to you. In dreams you're mine all the time we're together. In dreams, but just before the dawn, I wake and find you gone. I can't help it, I can't help it if I cry. I remember that you said goodbye. It's too bad